I moved into this house because of two main reasons. Reason number one, there's this DCI boyfriend who kept on tracking me. As much as I would block him, he would track me and come into my house. So that thing kept annoying me, and I was like, I'm going to move to a place where he doesn't know the soldiers, he doesn't know the neighbors. Even if he tracks me in the new place, I'll tell the soldier not to open the gate for him. And the second reason I moved to this house is because my brother had given me his car. Life was so tough, I could not even maintain my own car. So my bro gave me his car to use temporarily, a Toyota Fielder, as he helps me repair mine that was in poor condition. Now, where I was staying in Imara, we didn't have parking inside the apartment. We were parking on the road. And you know, Fielder is a highly demand car, so parking it outside was risky. And I was like, I need to move. I really have to move out of this place, otherwise I'm risking my brother's car parking it outside. So those are the two main reasons that made me move. But then I could not stay in this house for too long. Actually, I moved in November. I had not planned to move out that soon, but life happens. And the August of next year, I moved out. So my sisters came in to help me pack, and I didn't even have money to pay movers. So one of my sisters told me, why pay movers? We are four sisters. We will come in handy to help you. Mmoja akakuja na magunia. I didn't even buy cartons. Like literally, I did not incur the cost of moving out of this house because I have a friend called Stano. I'll occasionally give Stano my small car akienda events zake, marorashio, wakona chama, what, but he owns a Rolly. So I told Stano, I'm intending to move out. Please give me a car. And he was like, ata huta fuel. It's my time to pay back. So that is how I moved out free of charge. While we are moving out of this house, my sister, one of them, is in the other place where I'm moving into doing cleanliness. Yani, you can imagine the love my family has, because I may not be able to ever repay them. May God bless them for me, because they've really been with me through thick and thin. This house was on the 6th floor. Uko juu kabisa. So, I could not be able to record much on the stairs because I was still part of the people who should record and also be the one carrying the household items. Na ni marathon, because inasemekananga you better hama usiku so that your neighbors don't see what you have. But for me, I'm like, these are my items. Even if anybody sees them, na mchana. Sina stories za kuhama usiku. So hii ni kitu kama 11 a.m. That was when I was moving out. And how did I get this house? I told my sister-in-law, I have anxiety of parking this car outside. And she was like, I know a place we lived during COVID, and the houses are nice. There's a penthouse, the caretaker told me, is currently vacant. The penthouse is where the landlord used to stay. And the landlord was so good because during COVID times, he downsized the rent by 50%. So I would highly recommend this place. So when I was told it's a penthouse, I didn't bother to go check. After all, my sister-in-law had stayed in this apartment. So I was like, ni how much? It's fine. Can I pay the deposit? Kaniambia, yeah. In fact, they don't even have an agent. You pay directly to the landlord's account. Ako tu na caretaker. So ni caretaker tu ta inform akureservie. So I paid the deposit. Na nikangoja. So siku yangu ya kuhama, ndo nilikuwa nakuja kuona hii hau. And let me tell you, Maina, hii nyumba is an old house. It's an old house, but I really used to like the environment up there cause uko kwa penthouse peke yako, au wananangi na majirani unless wanakuja kuhang manguo huko juu, ama wakati watu wana smoke fegi wanakama around, but I was enjoying that space. So nikaambia caretaker, are you going to paint this house for me? Cause clearly hii nyumba ni mzee. Like ni mzee kabisa, imechapa. Akasema yeah, no problem. So nikakaa mwezi ya kwanza, mwezi ya pili hawa nini? Hawa paint, and I was getting bothered like, guy, wewe unakujanga na gari unapark, alafu ile nyumba unaishi. Okay, as much as what matters is the inside, and after all, hata kama imepaintiwa vizuri on the outside, it's not your house. I was like, I can't stay here anymore. I really love the environment of being in a penthouse, because nilikuwa mpaka nimeweka mawe ya gym huko juu, and The space was just nice. I felt like it's my own compound. But hey, hiyo nyumba ilikuwa mzee sana, singeendelea kukaa for so long. Then God opened a new door in January, so moving out was now not a big deal. It was not a hassle. And the fact that we had already parted ways with that DCI boyfriend, I felt more safer to move out now. I hope you've liked the video as you continue watching. But before that, I would like to pass my regards because I've done exceedingly abundantly with your support, of course, because I aimed to be at 500 subscribers at the beginning of the year. And as it is right now, we are in mid-year. This is June of 2025. I'm already at 500 subscribers. What do I say? I say thank you for taking your time to watch my content. Thank you for supporting my work. I greatly appreciate. And please leave a comment down below if you've ever moved because of a boyfriend or you've moved because of financial situations. Let me know how your situation was. And would you consider movers ama unajiaminia and you have a great support system? You never know the amount of items you have until it's time to move out. Because initially I was like, I don't even have a lot of things. It's just a 2-bedroom house, a double decker, then there is the main bed and a few items, a TV stand and a few seats and the dining table and the 4 dining chairs. And I was like, kagari kadogo katatosha. Oh, and to me, let me tell you guys, we really had to do 2 rounds. Tulipeleka hii round moja, then round ya pili yenye tu ilikuwa na viti na household kitchen items and what not. I didn't record because I was extremely exhausted. I appreciate the journey I've been through because I have seen myself being elevated from one glory to another. I started with a single room and then I upgraded to a bedsitter, uko corporation. And then after that, I was elevated immediately to a 2-bedroom in Kawa West. And then life happens and I was back to single room in Kobil. Then later I moved to a bedsitter, uko St. Bakita. I later moved to a 1-bedroom at Kisima Place. I later moved to a 2-bedroom at Imaradaima. And then now I was able to move to this 2-bedroom in Kino. And now from this 2-bedroom, I'm moving to a 3-bedroom and master ensuit for that matter. So I've seen my journey. I've seen how far I've come. And every time I'm thinking like, wow, it's still the same household that we lived in a single room. It's still the same household we lived in a 2-bedroom, in a 1-bedroom. How are we even surviving? How are people even dressing? How was privacy? Like how did we really survive? But I'm where I am because God has been through it all and I'm now blessed enough. I am hoping I never stumble. I never go back. I never go back to suffering because hey, ukiwa na familia alafu unakaa 1-bedroom ama ka single room, it's chaotic. So this house hosted me for 8 good months. It was very tiny. It was too old. To be honest, once I moved in, I was like, this is not it. This can't be it. But what do? It takes a lot to move in, to change houses. So I couldn't be able to move out like immediately. And so I had to be patient with myself as I gather the energy and the finances to move out again. So it was just a basic 2-bedroom house with tiles. And what happens, by the way, when you move out and the house now looks dirty? Mkiwa ndani mlikuwa mnaona imeng'ara mpaka mnatoa maviatu, then mkihama unashindwa hizi takataka zote zimetoka wapi? So thank you guys for watching. May God bless you abundantly. See you on the next one. Adios. Mwah.